if I can get him to float in here. That is like a kite. Oh! Tough to do in the wind. I didn't start my timer, so I don't know how much I've got left, but probably one more flight if I really want to. Heavy wind. Wow. Now I've got it kind of dialed in a bit. Let's not say it's easy in these gusts. Keep them out of the sun. Nice and trimmed. That's about half throttle with the wind. Chop it way back. Nice. Up and over. Just coasting by. He's getting tossed around a bit, but considering the wind, that is not bad. That's a pretty quiet little motor. Alright, I'm going to try and bring him in for a landing here. Oh, right as the gust picked up. I'm going around again. I could have put it down, but it wouldn't have been graceful. I may wish I had. Alright, let's see what we can do. Too much throttle. It's got a lot more power than my last Super Cub. Oh, he's just hanging there, isn't he? That's a lot of wind. Jeez, that's got to be at least 10 miles an hour. I don't know, what do I know? It's a lot of wind. Good day with the Super Cub. Taking him back to the shop in one piece. Ready to fly tomorrow.